Hey plant lovers! Welcome back to Her Green Space. If you love houseplants and want to keep them thriving, you're in the right place. If your Pink Syngonium has new leaves that just won't open, staying curled up for weeks, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll tell you why this happens and how to fix it. So let's get started. So what's happening here? Your Pink Syngonium is pushing out new growth, but instead of spreading out into beautiful, lush leaves, they just stay tightly curled. This can be frustrating, but the good news is, it's fixable. Here are the main reasons why this happens. One major cause of stuck leaves is low humidity. Syngoniums love moisture in the air, and if the humidity is too low, the leaf tissues dry out before they can fully open. This is especially common in winter when indoor air gets dry. Its solution is to increase humidity using a pebble tray or a humidifier. Mist the leaves lightly, but don't overdo it to avoid fungal issues. Grouping plants together also helps maintain moisture in the air. Another reason could be underwatering. If the plant isn't getting enough water, it won't have the energy to push out and expand new leaves properly. Its solution is to check the soil regularly. Water when the top 1 to 2 inches feel dry. Use well-draining soil to maintain consistent moisture without waterlogging. Your Pink Syngonium might also be lacking essential nutrients, especially calcium and nitrogen, which help in leaf development. To solve this issue, feed your plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season. Try adding a calcium-rich supplement like eggshell powder in small amounts. If your Syngonium is not getting enough light, its growth slows down, and new leaves may stay curled for longer. On the other hand, direct sunlight can dry them out before they unfurl properly. Place your Pink Syngonium in bright, indirect light for its perfect growth. If growing indoors, use a grow light, especially in winter. Sometimes, pests like spider mites, thrips, or mealybugs attack new growth, making it deformed or preventing it from opening. Inspect your plant regularly. Wipe leaves with neem oil or insecticidal soap if you spot pests. Improve air circulation around your plants. If you're dealing with this problem, go through all these aspects one by one and check which one might be missing in your care routine. For example, in my case, I've ensured my Pink Syngonium gets enough light, nutrients, and stays in a good environment. However, I haven't done anything to improve humidity inside my home or plant room during winter. I rarely miss my plants, and although I keep them closely together under a grow light, it might not be enough. Also, I realized that I wasn't watering frequently in winter because of my fear of overwatering. I've lost plants in the past due to overwatering, and no matter how careful I was, they still didn't survive. So this time, I was very reluctant and only watered when the soil felt dry. But maybe I wasn't watering deeply enough. If you're facing this issue, think about your watering habits too. So if your Pink Syngonium's leaves aren't unfurling, analyze these factors and make necessary adjustments. If the leaf is still struggling to open, try this. Gently mist the leaf with water and massage it lightly to help loosen it. Make sure conditions are ideal so the plant can naturally push the leaf out. And that's it. With the right care, your Pink Syngonium's leaves will unfurl beautifully. Have you faced this issue before? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Her Green Space. See you in the next one. Happy planting!